Hi, this is Tom Windler with Cloud9. This is session 3. Today we're going to be talking quickly about leads, marketing campaigns, marketing sources, and we're really going to dive into accounts, contacts, and projects. So the first thing you'll do is log into the CRM, of course, and then go to a lead record that you have created. So you can see this one is actually filled out. I did it as my company is the one that's going to be relocating to Mississippi here. So again, this is the lead record. We're in the qualify stage. And over here, we've identified the source type. Again, this is the general category for marketing. So this is a consultant. And it came from a person named Angelou, who's semi-famous in the business of economic development. So down here, you'll remember the rest of the details about the lead. So all of that is current and updated in this system. So once we've saved this record, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take all of this data right here, and we are going to turn it into 3 different types of records that are related. So for marketing's purposes, they're going to see that this is a qualified lead up here, as opposed to a lead that was disqualified. If you disqualified this lead, it would go away, and you could reactivate it later. But for today's purposes, we're going to qualify the lead. So we're going to create 3 types of records: the company record, which is called the account; the contact record, which is me, the person; and the third type of record will be the project. So we're going to hit qualify. And Microsoft is now going out, marking the record as qualified, and it's bringing all that data that we entered previously, and it's moved it from the qualify stage into the first phase of a project. You see, we're in a project. Develop, propose, and close. By the way, our code name is Bob Marley because of the song lyric Cloud9. So these are the action steps underneath this stage that we have to complete in order to move it from phase 1 of a project to phase 2 and 3. We're going to minimize that. Now, in this section here, this is all very self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you work your way through it. You'll recall the activities in the notes. These fields are all very simple, common information, so we're going to capture information about the project. We're also going to I don't want you to enter in anything with regards to incentives, nothing with regards to team, internal or external. I do want you to enter some data in about the financial metrics. Don't worry about jobs. We're going to tackle that down here in this section, but not this section. These are actually jobs that have been announced to the project. Feel free to fill in things down here for other. I have a whole nother section if you wanted to forecast out 5 years what jobs might look like. Don't worry about that one. I do want you to look at location requirements, and that will be self-explanatory as well. So there's all kinds of details about what they're looking for. Now down here where it says potential project location, this is where you would actually add properties that you're going to show this prospect in your community. Do not fill that out. Just fill out the basics. So if it has a plus sign next to it, don't worry about it. Just don't fill it out. All right, so we've created the project record, and you can see it remembered quite a bit of information about our company from the lead record. And over here, you can get to the potential customer here, or you could back out and go to sales, and then you could go to accounts. And you could also go to contacts that way. But I just clicked on Cloud9, the company record, and you can see now that I'm in the account record, Cloud9. Here's the information. They are a new industry prospect. Don't worry about location type. So everything else is very easy to track and manage here. And again, it pulled over a lot of information. For those of you that are working for or may work for companies that have investors or members, we do track that. But of course, a new industry prospect is not going to qualify for those. So here you can see that this is the active project, Bob Marley, tied to the company record. So hopefully you're starting to see how CRM is coming to life to manage your business. Now, one thing I will ask you to do is go to contacts. We're going to add at least one contact per lead record, and to do that, you'll hit the plus sign. This is going to create what we call a quick form, and you would simply fill this record out. We'll do Phil Jones, COO, and we'll hit save. So now you can see we have contacts Phil and Tom. And save the record, and off we go. Now, the other thing I'd like you to do is just simply click on one of these contact records. So there's my record. And over here, you can add activities and notes at the contact level. I just want to explain this. Please don't fill it out. If I were an ally, you could add me as an external member to your project team. That's not the case, so don't do that now. Now, if I had cases where I was calling in for support and I was an existing industry, you could actually log some cases here. And again, you can see that Tom Wingler, my contact information, the activity stream, the notes, contacts, accounts, details, and you can see that I am affiliated with Cloud9. We'll click on that, and we're back to the account or company record. And from the company record, wouldn't it be nice if we could see if they had an active project going? Well, we can. Right here, there's Bob Marley. All right, easy session. So today I'd like you to take the leads that you've entered. I'd like you to hit qualify, and I'd like you to create a project record for each one. That will automatically create the company record and a contact record. Then I would like you to create a contact record for each account. So that should be pretty straightforward. I am on vacation this week, so not able to join you on Tuesday night, but I appreciate your time, and hopefully this will be all that you need. Please call me if I can help. Email twingler@c9sol or twingler@economicdevelopmentcrm.com. Phone number is 423-309-7483. I will be on my honeymoon, so don't call me this week if you can avoid it. You can call our main office and ask for Boyd, and he would be able to help you out if you get stuck. Thanks so much. I appreciate your time.